Hi, this is Ted Larkin, Safety Director with Berglund Construction. In this safety snapshot, we'll talk about the importance of pedestrian protection on our job sites. Our restoration projects sometimes take place in dense urban areas where work is happening above active sidewalks, streets, and parked vehicles. When crews are chipping, grinding, cutting, or working from supported or suspended scaffolds, we need to plan for the potential impact below. And even with controls in place, debris, dust, and falling objects can create exposure for pedestrians and vehicles near the work area. This work requires strong protection being in place, constant awareness, and planning for the conditions below. Canopies should be strong and sturdy and properly anchored and secured. Canopies should also be equipped with protections such as these yellow rubber covers to protect pedestrians walking by. Canopies should be discussed in pre-con meetings and a determination made for the level of protection needed. Demolition work requires a heavy-duty canopy such as we see here, while lighter work may require a lighter canopy. And in some cases, lighting the underside of the canopy may also be required. So we need to put controls in place. Before work begins, confirm the proper protections are in place for the area below. Typical controls may include perimeter site fencing with mesh, and here we see it on the left-hand side of the video. Mesh on the back side of suspended boards and suspended scaffolds. We've always got that in place on our swing stages. Tow boards in place on the swing stages and the canopy if it's used for storage. Tethered tools or on suspended boards. Covering vehicles in direct path when needed, and we also need to pre-plan the exposure. Urban work areas can be tight, active, and difficult to fully control. Crews should consider how the day's work may affect pedestrians, parked vehicles, and surrounding property before operations begin. So, we need to review the work happening overhead, the exposure directly below the work, whether additional protection is needed, and the nature of doing business. In some cases, residents or pedestrians may report damage that was not caused by our operations. So in that case, even when existing damage is present, the source is unclear, every complaint should be taken seriously, documented carefully, and reported through the proper processes. If a complaint is made, if someone approaches with a damage claim, be polite to the person making the claim. Report it to your project manager, general field superintendent, and safety director as soon as possible. Take photos and complete a property damage report. Submit the information to your Berglund team. Have the individual obtain a police report, and Ted Larkin will investigate with the resident or pedestrian. So finally, Berglund believes with your commitment to safety, all workers will return home to their families. We ask that you watch out for your well-being and that of your co-workers. Stay safe and have a great week. Thank you.